Hey guys, this week in Art Club with Miss Burford, we're going to be creating Squeegee Cat pictures. You'll need a large square piece of card, mine is 12 by 12 inches, a black Sharpie, a squeegee, some acrylic paint and something to wipe your squeegee with, so either some toilet roll or paper towels. Starting with the small tubes of acrylic paint, you're just going to create a smile of a smiley face on your piece of paper. It doesn't matter what height, this is going to be the top part of your cat, so where this sits is where the top of your cat is going to be. All you need to do is just squeeze your tube as you go along drawing your smiley face, so you have quite a thick line of paint. I just added a little bit of extra paint on mine so I had enough to drag it right down to the bottom of the paper, otherwise I would have ran out of paint halfway through this. Then using your scraper, I took the soft edge of this off so I got a nice plastic edge. Just go from the top of your smile and then drag all the way down to the bottom of your page very gently in one smooth action. And this creates the body of your cat. Just give your squeegee a good wipe off now because you don't want your paint to mix in with your next colour that you're going to use, so make sure it's nice and clean. Then we're going to repeat this process to create different sized cats on your page. So you might want it to overlap a little bit with the last one that you've done. So as you can see, mine started just over the edge of my cat and it's a little bit lower down. So this is going to be a shorter cat. The wider you do the smile, the wider your cat will be. The thinner you do your smile, the thinner the cat will be. On this one I added a slightly different colour as well, so I went for, I think it was yellow ochre, and then I added some orange so we had some stripes. You can definitely add some different colours to your cats. You could do more realistic colours by using blacks, greys, whites and similar colours to what I've done on this one, or you can go for multicolours like I've done on my picture overall. And when I drag this cat down with the squeegee, you can see that I got a little bit of a wiggle in my cat. And I was quite happy with that because not all cats are going to sit with no lumps and bumps. So he's got a bit of a wiggle in his body. And then you're just going to wipe off your squeegee again. I went for a wider cat on this side. And you just keep repeating this process until you've filled up all along the bottom of your paper. You don't have to do your cats in a linear line like I have along the bottom of your page. We have also done them in corners of our paper, or you can have the choice of where you'd like to put them if you can think of somewhere else. Because you've spread your paint so thinly, your paint should be dry in about 10 to 15 minutes, so then we can start adding the details of our cats with the black marker. The details that I added of my cats, I made them quite cartoony because they look like cartoon cats to me. You wouldn't have green and blue cats. But if you have more realistic colours, you may want to go for a more realistic face. But you can add their personalities to each cat by changing the shape of their ears, their eyes. You might want their eyes wider apart on one of them or closer together. You might have them blinking. I did heart eyes on the one. Just really give them a good personality. If you'd like to, you could go a step further than I have and add some paws and a tail to each cat. But this is a good fun exercise to introduce using squeegees to children. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more art lessons like this every week and other art related content every now and then. See you next week for more Art Club with Miss Burford.